Hi guys, I got this new surprise gift and I'm really curious what it is. I know who sent it to me and I don't know what it is. It's wrapped, it's light, so they are not boots, but I'm gonna put some on. Wait a second. Yeah, life without boots is not alive. Agree? Yeah, I love these. Look at these beauties. Nothing better. Look. Adorable. I know. So let's get to the business. I don't know what it is. So let's open this package. By the way, this is from Fernando Berlin. So I'm sure it's gonna be something adorable. But let's just open this. So, explore the kinky side of Berlin. That's interesting. What else? Fashion for males. Ooh la la, I love this one. It's totally my style. What else? Oh, look at this mask. Do you know I got a hood? Latex hood. I love it. Ooh. Okay, so this is not the main thing I got, but it's this. Box. Let's see. Ooh. Well, what is this? I'm not sure. No, this is not a necklace because it is too short. So I would think this probably goes around boots, huh? Well, I hope I'm not doing this wrong. So, oh wow, I love sparkle. Sparkle. Maybe I could also wear it as a, no, it's not long enough, but don't you think this would look so cute? Smells of leather. Okay, so I was right to put on the boots. Okay. Okay. Oh, look. Ooh. Yeah, well, I love this little gift. Ooh. Yeah, Fernando Berlin knows how to make a woman happy. Not only that, it's even better that my fan is willing to spoil me for Christmas. So yeah, that's unboxing. And I got new boots on the way, and they are very, very sparkly. So tune in next time.